Our business is Brightline Eating. It's a New York State based membership company for people with eating and dieting problems, that they can build a new life, and we deliver it using technology, and I'm the Chief Technology Officer of Brightline Eating. We made a decision about 3 months ago that we would not build our own technology team in the United States or anywhere in the world, that we would actually find a partner that we could trust, that we could work with for the long term over the next few years as we develop our business. But we need to have the app, and we have to have somebody we would trust to build that app. So we've been working out what's in the app, what difficulties there could be, and what technologies we'd use. We've been working with tkxel from the original scoping for only a couple of months, but what we found is it's like having our own employees. It's not like a separate company. They get us excited about what we're doing as we do, and also they bring a level of expertise that gives everybody on the team, and the team is both tkxel and Brightline Eating, gives them the chance to be confident about the future. They bring also great technical knowledge, because they've done lots of other projects, either similar or where they've had a learning that could be of great value to us. I did a very big study. So we started with a list of 100 companies and narrowed it down to about 10, spoke to clients of those 10, and we were left with only 2 or 3, and tkxel rose completely to the top. And the difference was, it's a young, enthusiastic company with lots of people that will really want to learn. It's already delivered very well for many companies, and some of the companies I spoke to couldn't give anything but glowing reports of them. So we were very confident once we started negotiation, and the negotiations are very easy with them. They're pragmatic, they understand, they know this business really well. They can use us as an example of how you take a small company and make it large. So we will be happy to tell the whole world about it. I actually was interviewed by the Wall Street Journal only 10 days ago, and told them all about tkxel at the time.